ChatGPT, revolutionizing AI and sparking controversy. Launched in November 2022, ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, has rapidly gained global notoriety. The innovative technology has received both praise and criticism, with notable linguist Noam Chomsky denouncing it as high-tech plagiarism. Despite the backlash, the chatbot has amassed a significant following, with numerous Facebook groups discussing its utility and various practical applications available online. In addition to ChatGPT, several other tools have also emerged that demonstrate similar capabilities, including Quillbot, DeepLWriter, and AI Article Spinner. These tools are able to paraphrase, rewrite, and improve the quality of text. Of these, DeepLWriter is particularly noteworthy for offering users multiple sentence choices, which reflects the growing sophistication of these technologies. In a practical test, ChatGPT successfully rewrote a sentence in 10 different ways, showcasing its versatility. While ZeroGPT is a popular detector for ChatGPT-generated texts, there is a need to assess the efficacy of tools like Turnitin and Authenticate in detecting all rewritten content. The potential for AI tools to save time and enhance creativity is undeniable. Tools such as Quillbot and DeepLWriter can improve writing, while ChatGPT can assist with more complex tasks. For instance, ChatGPT has been employed to create specialized frequency dictionaries, which have the potential to enhance quality education, one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This is achieved by providing valuable resources for teaching in non-native languages. ChatGPT's capabilities extend to generating multilingual vocabularies, which facilitate inclusive education. Future iterations are expected to deliver high-quality translations of presentations and books, similar to services such as online doc translator.com. It is also noteworthy that AI has the potential to be creative. ChatGPT can generate poems using provided keywords, which makes learning more engaging. For instance, a poem created with the words computing, Excel, data, function, and chart demonstrates how AI can make complex concepts more accessible. In the world of computing, where data reigns supreme, Excel is a tool quite suiting. A charting masterpiece in the team. With functions to manipulate and data to process and refine, Excel is a tool that's great. A champion of spreadsheets in its prime. The chart is where the story's told, where data comes to life, with insights both new and old, and visualizations that are rife. So let computing lead the way. With Excel at the helm, data's tail will never fray, and charts will overwhelm. For in this world of data, where computing rules the day, Excel's a champion of its matter, a tool that will forever stay. The capacity of ChatGPT to translate and adapt celebrated quotations, proverbs, and poems into diverse languages has the potential to motivate learners. Furthermore, the tool's capacity to reformat references from manuscripts into various citation styles could significantly reduce the time required by academics. In the future, it is possible that several AI-based tools and technologies could transform the academic landscape. The redesign of PowerPoint presentations to align with the needs of the audience. The utilization of virtual research and teaching assistants. The integration of hologram technology into lectures. The development of advanced lecture halls with intelligent features such as noise control and air quality monitoring.